Welcome to the Dolomites, a UNESCO World Heritage Site in northern Italy. At its heart is the Sella Ronda, a perfect 55-kilometer circuit of 4 legendary passes, forming a must-do route for any serious rider. This is the counter-clockwise guide. The route starts and finishes in Araba. From Araba, your first objective is Passo Campolongo via the SS-244. This is the gentlest of the 4 passes. You'll join the SS-243 towards Passo Gardena. The descent from Gardena leads to the SS-242 and the climb to Passo Sella and the final climb to Passo Pordoi. This is the most demanding ascent of the loop. The final descent is a famous series of 33 hairpins back down to Araba, completing the circuit. Each summit has a distinct character. Campolongo at 1,875 meters is the quiet gateway. Gardena at 2,121 meters offers the most expansive landscape views. Sella, the highest point at 2,244 meters, provides intimate close-up views of the colossal rock towers. And Pordoi at 2,239 meters is a bustling hub with its famous cycling monument and cable car. A final briefing for the ride. 1. The Sella Ronda is a hub. You can easily add nearby passes like Giao and Falzarego for a full day of riding. 2. This area is extremely popular. To avoid the heaviest traffic, ride on a weekday and start early. 3. The riding season is short, typically mid-June to late September. Always check weather and road conditions before you go. In summary, the Sella Ronda is not difficult, but it demands constant focus. Its true value is the sheer quality and quantity of corners, all surrounded by some of the most dramatic mountain scenery on the planet. If you enjoy this content, give the channel a like and subscribe for more motorcycle routes around the world.